How good metabolism play crucial role to cleansing your body toxic. If you like our video, do like, comment, and subscribe our channel. Your metabolism is the engine and the power plant of your body. It provides the energy for the cleaning crews, your organs, to do their job. Your lungs have a self-cleaning system that is remarkably efficient. It doesn't require special teas or diets to function. It just needs you to stop introducing new pollutants and support it with good health. Your lung cells need a constant supply of energy, ATP, produced by your metabolism to power the cilia's beating and to produce mucus. Without a healthy metabolism, these cleaning processes would slow down. The mucociliary escalator. This is the primary cleaning system of your airways. Mucus. The cells lining your airways produce a thin layer of sticky mucus. This mucus traps dust, smoke, bacteria, viruses, and other particles you inhale. Cilia. These are microscopic hair-like structures that line the airways. They beat in a coordinated, wave-like motion, constantly sweeping the mucus layer upward from the deep lungs toward your throat. The escalator. Once the mucus reaches your throat, you unconsciously swallow it. The trapped particles are then sent to the stomach, where stomach acid destroys most of the harmful microbes. The cough reflex. This is your backup system. If an irritant, like smoke or a large dust particle, bypasses the mucus, or if the mucociliary escalator is overwhelmed, as with a cold, your body triggers a cough. A forceful cough expels the irritant at high speed. Alveolar macrophages. Deep in your lungs are tiny air sacs called alveoli, where gas exchange happens. Here, specialized immune cells called macrophages, big eaters, patrol the area. They engulf and digest bacteria, carbon particles, and other debris that make it this deep. For lung health, don't smoke, avoid secondhand smoke. This is the single most important thing you can do. Smoking paralyzes and destroys cilia, overwhelming the entire system. Reduce exposure. Minimize exposure to air pollution, industrial fumes, and allergens. Exercise. Cardiovascular exercise improves lung capacity and circulation, helping to maintain healthy lung tissue. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water keeps the mucus in your airways thin and easy to move. Prevent infection. Wash your hands and get recommended vaccines like flu and pneumonia to reduce the burden on your immune system.